We're going to go over how to add the recipe set availability widget to your home screen. And once it's added, you could download recipes from your enterprise head office. So to start this, on your home screen, you're going to hit the little plus symbol, and you're going to add the recipe set availability option. Now, if everything's set up in the store information in Optimum, you should see if there's any available recipe set files to download. So this could be new items, preps, or products coming from your head office. What will happen is any new files will actually be added to this window on this timer. So every time this counts down, it will refresh and look for new files. If you want to download the new stuff, you would just select the file and click download. You'll see a pop-up with the process of what's going on. And once it's completed, you'll see a complete on the end of the bar. If you get any errors in this process, this is when you would call our technical support, and the number is 1-888-798-5555. But if you get the complete, you know everything's in the system that should be in the system from the head office. If you have any trouble with this, please give us a call.